What is going on everyone, this is Sangram and welcome to your fourth AngularJS tutorial. In this video we are going to cover the concepts like ng model, ng bind and expressions. So let's check them one by one. In my second tutorial I covered the hello world example. In that we use ng model. So what is ng model? Ng model is used to bind the value of the HTML control to the application data. And now what we mean by that is, if I write let's say input type text, and inside that if I write a directive ng model, and if I take some name, and if I just want to print out the name, then I can directly use the name in the expression. So this way I'll be able to bind the value of the control to the data. So you can use even text area or input text. Input type text is also fine. So if I just run it on the browser, then you'll be able to see. If I type in my name, I'll be able to show that. Similarly, you can also show the data using ngbind directive. So if I just remove this expression and if I just use anything like paragraph, you can use any tag like paragraph division, or you can even use the h1 h2 h3 tags. So let's say if I use ngbind inside this, and if I just give the name, and I'll be able to see the name. So let's run it on the browser, and if I type something like this, I get this result. So this way we are able to bind the data. And remember, AngularJS allows us to make it two-way data binding, because whenever we make any changes in our view, those changes are reflected in our model. And similarly, if any changes are done on the model, then those changes are reflected on the view. So this way AngularJS is very useful, and you can check lots of functionalities in the coming tutorials. I'll cover them. And in also I have to explain you about the expressions. So expressions are also important. Whenever you want to do any calculations, you can use the expressions. So let's say if I want to calculate 10 into 3, then it will give me this result. So let's just write 10 into 3 equals, and I'll be able to get the result. Let me just remove it out and run it on the browser. Okay, now I get the result. You can do anything, you can do addition, subtraction and lots of things. So if you like this video, please hit like and also subscribe, so that it will motivate me to add more and more videos on AngularJS. So thanks for watching. See you for now.